This is our site, Happy Holiday. So now today, what we're gonna do? At first, our site is working now, and we go to the sign up page. So we should sign up at first. So let me fast do that. So as you can see, I signed the all data. So now I'm gonna register. And this site, we're gonna add me, link me to the homepage with my profile. That it's my username, Anna. So let's do the order. So before the order, we have this locations, see view, and other things. So there is the info you can see, services, and about us something. So let's gonna do the order. So at first we had a search filter that we can search by the views, by the date, by the number of guests. So we can search and also clear the filters. So let's do the add this location to our cart. So there is written about the capacity and price, detailed information. There will be what about our view. So let's add to cart. So it says that C2 has been added to cart, and in cart you see we had a notification by red thing. So we go to the cart, and also there is the search for location, so we can search our names, location names by the search, and also there is the filter that search by the views, search by the select by the capacity, and select by the closest available event and further dates. So we can also search and clear the filters. So let's do the order. So today is the 12th of the December. So we can't choose this date. We can choose only after tomorrow. So and there is also has the unavailable datas that other users take. So let's take this one, and we can also add the services. And now we're gonna order the payment. So we're gonna write our card information and click the order button. So it says that payment of this sum was successfully completed. So we're gonna close it, and it goes to the my orders page. And if you can see, there is the order bolder than the others. It says that we are in order page. So we can also search, filter the things, and view the details of the information. And the thing is we can we can see our order status now. It's only pending, but it's paid. By manager site, by manager account, we can change it. Now I gonna show you this thing. So let's log out and sign in as a manager. So we had also a manager account that calls the Relay Manager. So we log into this, and if you can see, there is the orders, and the order that we do almost, yep, this one, C2. So we can edit this by the canceling or confirm it information. So we confirm it, and it's changed. So now we're gonna again go to the Anna and see about our orders. So it's confirmed, so it's changed and it's working. So that's all.
Core models page for static pages, order for user orders, and booking for details and locations. Constraints prevent duplication and admin-friendly response. Representation ensures reliable data management. We created custom forms for registration and password reset with dynamic field attributes for a better user interface. Routers and view handle registration, login, password reset, and data management with category filters and user authentication, ensuring smooth friendly backend interaction. The backend builds with Django and PostgreSQL, supports event management, user registration, and APIs with token-based automation for security and scalable architecture for large data volumes.
Of team to deploy our event organization platform, I followed a systematic process using GitHub and Render for the deployment. First, I made sure that our project code was organized and up to date in our GitHub repository. This involved checking that all the necessary
main page. Here the user sees the registration and login buttons, links to location and services, as well as selection of popular offers. Everything is done so that the user immediately understands how to get started. After logging in, the user gets to their profile. Here they can edit data, create events, and manage past events. Everything is convenient and minimalistic, so as not to distract from the main thing. A map with location is available on the booking page, which the user can choose a place that suits the type of event, budget, and other parameters. Each location has a description, photos, and available dates. The next important part is the services page. Here the organizer can select contracts, photographers, decorators, and musicians, and others. All services are conveniently structured, and they are easy to link to specific events. As for the design, we choose calm blue and white tones so that the platform looks professional and doesn't overload the attention. The interface is simple and intuitive, suitable for both experienced users and beginners. In addition, our system supports mobile devices. This means that you can work with the platform anywhere, even on the go. Thus, the event management systems help to organize an event easily, quickly, and without stress. Everything you need is collected in one place.
Unit tests. So now part about the unit tests, they are automated checks for individual functions or methods. It's doing for helping to identify errors early in development, and the well-written unit tests always help maintain the quality of the software product. They ensure that the code works correctly and performs like as expected, as our expecting. So there's our unit tests. So let's run it to see the result. So now. So it said that our results saved in this file. So I open it. It's now and the results that they passed it, and it's okay. So that's all. We always check it like that.
Of team to deploy our event organization platform, I followed a systematic process using GitHub and Render for the deployment. First, I made sure that our project's code was organized and up to date in our GitHub repository. This involved checking that